Have you ever stopped to think what's common between a bustling city street in Mumbai and a quiet farm in Punjab? The answer lies right beneath your feet: land. Every home built, every road laid, every crop grown, it all begins with land. It's not just soil, it's the foundation of our lives. In this video, we are diving deep into the concept of land resources, what they are, how we use them, and why their wise management is the need of the hour. Ready? Let's explore. So, what exactly are land resources? Simply put, they're the Earth's surface that we use for living, farming, building, and more. But here's the twist: land is limited. We can't make more of it. That's why we call it a finite natural resource. According to the book, land supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, and all economic activities. It's a base for survival and for growth. The key message: land isn't just a background, it's the main stage. Now, let's look at how land varies across India. We've got 4 major types of landforms. Mountains, they cover 30% of our area. They store glaciers, nurture forests, and attract tourists. Plains making up 43%. These are India's food baskets, perfect for farming and dense habitation. Plateaus, 27% of the land, rich in minerals, forests, and fossil fuels. Islands, small in area, huge in ecological and strategic value. Isn't it fascinating how nature shapes opportunity? How do we use this land? Here's a breakdown from your book: forests, land not available for cultivation, barren land and areas with buildings and roads. Other uncultivated lands like pastures and orchards. Fallow lands temporarily left uncultivated. Net sown area, land where crops are actively grown. Here's a quick formula: net sown area plus area sown more than once equals to gross cropped area. Pretty neat, right? These categories help in planning how to meet the needs of over 1 billion people. Ever wondered why farming thrives in some areas but not in others? It comes down to a mix of physical and human factors. Physical: topography, climate, and soil type. Human: population pressure, culture, and technology. For example, fertile plains and irrigation systems make Punjab a farming powerhouse, while the hilly terrain of Arunachal Pradesh limits agriculture. Land use is never random, it's a smart balance of nature and human need. Let's crunch a few real numbers. India's total geographical area is 3.28 million square kilometers. But wait, land use data is available for only 93% because parts of the Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir haven't been fully surveyed. Now, look at this: net sown area in Punjab and Haryana, over 80%. In contrast, Arunachal Pradesh, less than 10%. That's a huge variation, one that affects food security, development, and policy decisions every single day. But here's the problem: we are misusing land. Unplanned construction, deforestation, overfarming, it all leads to land degradation. The solution? Smart, sustainable planning. Practice agroforestry, adopt soil conservation, support urban zoning, encourage community participation. Like Gandhiji said, there is enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. The future of our land depends on the choices we make today. Whether you're living in a city apartment or a village hut, land shapes your life. Your park, your school, the road you walk on, all stand on carefully planned land. And now, as a conscious citizen, it's your turn. Understand it, respect it, protect it. Because land is more than just dirt, it's a heritage, a resource, and our responsibility. Thanks for joining us. Keep learning, keep growing, and never take the ground beneath your feet for granted.